If you have ever replaced a registration sticker on your vehicle, you know how super inconvenient it is to do. Let me show you how to do it easier in the future. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the registration sticker for this 2019 Subaru Outback. And we will be using some windshield static stickers by Smashville. Please note we are not sponsored by this product and we are not affiliated with the company. But it does make the replacement of the registration sticker a lot easier. Let's start by removing the old registration sticker. Now I'm going to be using the end of the box cutter to remove it. And if it takes so long, I'm just going to fast forward so you don't get bored. Start by using the edge of the blade to peel off the corner of the registration sticker. Then continue peeling off the rest of the registration sticker. And as you can see from the inside, there's really no space to remove it because the dash is very high and close to the windshield. So you need slim hands or long fingers to remove the registration. Otherwise, you won't be able to completely remove it. So I got it out, but as you can see, there's still some residue from the sticker that's left on the windshield, and that looks ugly if you don't clean it up. For some people, this is really a challenge to clean up. And my hands are actually getting scraped by the dash. So there's some physical damage to your body. Alright, I hope this is clean enough because I don't want the owner of this vehicle to be mad at me for not doing a good job. So seeing how tedious to remove the registration sticker from the windshield is, why would you want to go through that again? So we are going to install windshield static stickers on the registration sticker before we put it on the windshield. Now the size of the windshield static sticker is this size, which is why I cut it in half, because you can actually fit two stickers on one sheet. So we're gonna install this one on half of the sheet. Now make sure that you stick it on the plastic side, not on the paper side, because the paper side is not gonna help you. You have to put it on the sticker side or the transparent film. Alright, start by removing your registration sticker from its paper. Now put it face down again on the transparent film, not on the paper side. Always double check on that. Lay it flat. Make sure that it sticks on the transparent film completely. It doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure it's on the film. Now, With it on the film, you can peel off the paper. Now this is what we're going to install on the windshield. Let's do it now. Installing the registration sticker on the windshield. Look how convenient it is. If, let's say, I put it on the top of the windshield and I'm not satisfied with it, I can easily peel it off and readjust it. Now I can put it closer to the bottom. And when I'm satisfied, I can just press on it and it should stick to the windshield. So after 2 years, when the registration is expired, I can just easily peel this off without going through all that issue again. Very nice.
Yes! Yes!
And that is how to install your new registration sticker using Windshield static stickers. You can buy this on Amazon or on eBay. Again, we are not sponsored by this product. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching. Super wipers.